Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to see a very exciting opportunity that is from Indian Overseas Bank. So Indian Overseas Bank is hiring for apprentice training. Any graduate can apply. Please watch the video till the end. All the important informations I am going to read out from the notification. It's having a 15 pages, so it will be difficult for you to cover the important details. Let's see the important things, then you can decide whether to apply or not. Okay. So there is a recruitment update from Indian Overseas Bank for engagement of apprentice under Apprentice Act 1961. They have given the opening date, closing date, payment option or date, online exam date and everything. They have given the total vacancy details also. You can see on the screen totally 700 plus vacancies is there. All India there is vacancy, total 750 vacancies is there. Category wise vacancy also they have given here. Okay, you can see that those things on the PDF. Nationality should be Indian. Age limit should be 20 to 28 years. 28 is year is the age higher age limit. And also there is age relaxation for SC/ST category, persons with disability, economically weaker section, all those categories. Okay. Educational qualification is a degree, graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or an equivalent qualification recognized as such by the central government is required. They have given the age relaxation details. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe 5 years, other backward classes 3 years, persons with benchmark disabilities 10 years, like that. They have given the details. Widows, divorced women and legally separated from their husbands up to 35 years for general EWS, 38 years for OBC, 40 years for SC/ST. Okay, all the important details they have given here. Okay, now let's have a look on. So these are the details of the disabilities and things. Let's scroll down. Stipend they are giving is based on the branches. Metro branch it is 15,000 per month. Urban 12,000 per month. Semi-urban or rural 10,000 per month. Okay, yeah. Stipend per month. Bank will make payment as detailed below for candidates selected under NATS through NATS portal. The stipend is 15,000 to minus 4,500. So there is a deduction happening here based on the NATS selection. Yeah, so there is actually two ways. I think there is two ways for applying uh, for this, in apprenticeship. That is a deduction happening to the government. Okay, so these are the details here. Selection process also they have given. Selection process is based on online examination and test of local language. So for every state they are hiring a particular amount of people. For that specific state, whichever state you are applying for, your language should be known to you. You should be knowing the local language. Apart from that, there is first stage of selection, online test. In that, you will be asked questions from general or financial awareness, 25 questions, general English, 25 questions, quantitative reasoning aptitude, 25, computer subject knowledge is 25. Okay, 100 questions and marks is 100. 90 minutes is the duration. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, application guidelines. Candidate can apply subject to fulfillment of eligibility criteria. However, registration and payment of application fees is done individually. Last day to apply is 9th of March. So when I'm making this video, there is 4 more days. Okay. So where you have to go through the detailed advertisement by clicking the English advertisement available in the Engagement of Apprentice Act under the vacancies. So you have to go to the website of www.iob, that is Indian Overseas Bank.in, and go to the career section. In that you can find the career opportunities. In that you will be able to find this notification. Okay. So you can see all the details there. You can apply there, and candidate will have to complete the application form. Candidate have to register to NATS portal. We have to that is on NATS portal. We'll have to go through this link. Okay, candidate registered in NAPS portal. We have to go through this link. So these are various apprentice sites of Government of India. Okay, now talking about the application fees, here is persons with disability 400, persons for female SC/ST 600, general OBC EWS 800. Okay. List of documents to be produced at the time of document verification, everything they have given in detail. Yes, so that's all. So please go to the site, and to apply, you have to go to the career session. You will find the details. Now, where to go to the site? You can click on these links. So whenever there is a PDF, you will be having clickable links in the PDF. Click on those links and you will be redirected. Okay, so that is the important thing to be noted. One more thing, you have to register to any of the apprentice portals of India, Government of India, that is NATS portal or other portals. So please read out the notification carefully, and all the important things I have shared with you. Last date is known to you now. It is 9th of March. You know what is the number of vacancies, the stipend details and everything. So that's all. If you are interested, definitely apply for this apprenticeship. Any persons with a graduation is eligible. Up to 28 years is the age limit. Yes. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video. Please keep supporting and subscribe to the channel if it is useful.